A success.
Sumakses ka na. Oh my gosh. Wait,
Yes, very much so.
let's turn it on.
Ay, nako.
Bakit ganun? Ba't parang ang ano ko pa rin? So bright.
Because
Rainbow
you have
bright.
a bright future ahead, friend.
Hi.
Ay.
Hi. Gusto ko yan. Teka lang.
Yes,
Please. There.
you got it.
I got it. I am seeing
Okay.
it now.
Okay, amazing.
Grabe ang technological challenges natin for today.
I cannot.
I cannot. Stressed ako. This is so unnatural.
Oh, is it though? Is it a natural?
Or is it our real selves?
I think so. I think it's your.
This is the reality.
I feel like we're really just, techie moms, and that's fine.
You know what they say? Ano ba yan? Dami kong plema.
Wow, what a start.
Pero sorry na.
I
Pagka
love
wala
it.
kasi talagang tulog, parang equivalent to lasing. Para akong lasing today. Ano ba yan? Ano yun sabi nila, di ba parang you're forced to survive in a given situation. Parang what you're usually or what you're used to is like a mask of yourself. So the real us is maybe this.
Wait, Franny.
Forgetful, not
Okay, but you
techy.
have to repeat that.
Wait, di ko na ma-repeat.
Because,
Hindi siya maulit.
okay, I'll just watch it to replay.
Sorry.
Oh my. You know,
Ayan.
when moms start to come in, they'll be like, what's going on with these two?
Lasing ba sila? Buntis yung isa eh.
Yeah.
Sabi nila. Buntis yung isa eh. Ba't parang
Yes.
lasing?
We have moms already. Hey, mommies. We have mommy
Hey.
Angelica, mommy's Irene, and mommy Ira. Hello, hello.
Have you ever, well, ikaw nakita na kita ng lasing eh. Pero ako, parang never pa ako lalasing.
Um, nakita mo na ako ng lasing?
Oo.
When?
Nung nag-dinner tayo, kasama natin si Karen.
Oh,
Oo.
yes.
That was like
That,
the peak lasing Rachel na
yes.
nakita
That
ko.
was, yeah. No, actually, sobrang sarap kasi ng wine.
Yes. Where
So,
did you
first,
buy it? Where did you buy it ulit? Kasi di ba when we had that send mo nga sa akin yung link, friend. Kailangan ko yun.
wait, Franny, are we talking about the same wine? Yun yung nag-dinner
Yeah.
tayong tatlo, di ba? We bought it from the restaurant.
Oh, hindi, pero di ba you bought it again? Or yun pa rin yun? Stock pa rin yun?
No, 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 that's it. Tapos, sa sobrang, saya ko and super, parang, ang sarap niya inumin. Nung pagbalik ko sa hotel, uminom pa kami ni David. Using the takeout wine.
Same. Oo.
Tapos, ayun na. And then I couldn't remember anything. Yeah. Ikaw ba
Well,
hindi? I feel like you were also buzzed at that time.
hindi naman. Hindi. I was like wide awake. Medyo may tama siya. It's a
Yeah.
traitor. Kasi talaga mararamdaman mo
Yeah.
siya. My ears were hot. And then I'm like,
Yeah.
and like, everything is, parang my entire body is hot. Pero,
Yeah.
buhay pa naman ako nun.
I had a lot to
Kasi,
drink.
you did. Kasi sabi mo
Yeah.
parang hindi mo na natatandaan na you rode
Hindi na.
the Grab, diba? Grab ba? Or may driver ka?
Yeah, yeah. Nag-grab ako. Nag-grab ako. No, I remember waking up. Sabi ko, uy, ang galing may pictures tayo kagabi. Sabi ko,
Iba yun iba
wow.
na yun.
Yes. Tapos I was trying to remember, okay, we took photos in the bathroom.
Oo.
That's, sobrang intense. But anyway, it was a fun night. Siyempre, it's always fun when, ano tayong dalawa eh,
Yes.
good food and good wine.
Yes. Mabubuhay tayo sa ganon.
Yes, yes. Ayun, kamustahin natin ang mga mommies dito. We have new ones. Hello, mommies. Hi,
Yes.
mommy Florfe, Sophia, and mommy April. Good afternoon. So, if
Hello.
you caught us at a bad time, yes, our mom brains are mom braining so hard right now.
So hard. Very hard.
Yes, so welcome to Me Time, episode 15. Grabe, Freddy. Nakaka-15 na tayo. And to think we have like point one, point two,
Yes.
probably mga
Tinipid pa
20 na
tayo.
siguro. Yes,
Sorry, mali pala. Tinipid pa natin ang lagay na
tin
yon.
yeah, tinipid pa natin ang lagay na yon. Yes. And can you believe it? We haven't had any guests for this year yet.
Oo nga, no? Wait lang.
Yes. Pero I already invited two for our next two episodes. Yung isa kilala mo na, yung isa hindi pa.
Kilala ko yung
Kilala mo rin
kumare ba
pala yung,
natin yan?
yes, yes. The
Our
second
kumare.
one, nag-yes na rin siya, but you know her.
Oh, I
She's,
do?
oh yeah, she's already she's been part of her events, both events actually. So,
Oh.
yes.
Repeat
Diba?
guess, no?
No,
Okay.
no. Kaya, it's, it's awesome.
Okay. You
Yeah,
gotta
so
let me know. I'm
yes.
excited.
So we're excited. And also, mommies, if you have any topics that you want to recommend,
Mm-mm.
um, just let us know. And also, if you have any questions for today, just type it in. And we'll do our best to keep up with your comments and then answer them throughout the episode. So welcome and thanks for being here. I know that it's a weekend. It's raining hard probably. Dito medyo maaraw na or it's medyo nag-loosen up na as far as rains. How
Okay
is
na.
the beautiful city of Bulacan, Franny?
Ayun, submerged.
Oh,
Bitter. May bitterness. Dark pa rin outside, pero for the most part, we are happily submerged. Happily. Kasi
oh
wala na kaming
my.
choice.
Still up
Ay,
to
nako.
now?
Yeah, sa labas, yes. And then even yung locations na hindi binabaha. Right now, baha sila.
Mm.
So, I don't know what's going on, honestly, but ano ba to? Hindi ko na alam kung anong, I don't wanna blame anybody, right? Kasi parang lahat naman ng tao may contribution sa ano eh, sa environmental crisis natin ngayon. But like, I don't even know where it's coming from. Ano bang root cause ng baha natin ngayon? So, ay nako.
Yeah, well, it's definitely a combination of many things. Um, yeah, it's hard to pinpoint to. So, sana ano na siya, maging okay na.
Yeah.
And in fairness to Frenny, parang sobrang tagal din nag-ulan, right? And it's also
Yes.
like parang 24/7 na ulan na parang 2 weeks
Oo.
yata.
Dire-diretso,
So,
'di ba?
yeah, so I can really expect na magkakaroon ng flooding. Um, but yeah, so far dito sa amin wala. I know Pampanga is one of like the red areas, ano ba tawag doon? Like orange areas. Pero so far, like here, sa village, sa labas, wala din naman. Tsaka sa
Oo.
sa area na to. But so far, we're doing great. We're okay, blessed and feeling parang yung ulan, masaya lang siya because it's gloomy and malamig. But then, pagka tumagal na siya ng ilang days, nakaka-depress na. So, I
Ako
get
hindi. Ayoko
how
talaga ng ulan.
ayaw mo talaga ng rain.
Mm-mm.
Kahit a couple of days.
Yeah. Kahit drizzle lang, it's like, it puts me in a very uh depressive mood.
Mm,
Lalo na kapag
yeah.
lalabas. Or maybe that's
Yeah.
just my maarte side. Kasi
No, I get it.
lalabas, tapos you're all dressed up in your
Mm-hmm.
pretty summer dress, tapos uulan.
I know, right? Yeah. Totoo. Also, mahirap din is yung, I guess, for me, ang pinakamahirap pag umuulan is pag gabi natutulog ka when you wake up to really strong rains. Tapos parang you'll
Mhm.
get paranoid na, alam mo yon na something might go wrong or something, Kamusta
Yeah.
kaya yung anak ko sa kwarto, ganyan. Things
Oo.
like that. So,
Totoo yan. Ako,
ayun.
I do get that too. And then I can't sleep kapag sobrang lakas ng rain. Only
Mhm.
because may trauma kami because we had to evacuate before, diba? Tas, ano yan?
Oh.
Was it the dream? Basta matagal na yun, parang 1 year old pa lang si Ian, ano eh. So, 14 years ago. Pero
Mhm.
parang ever since, pagka umuulan ng ganyan, parang, ano ako, parang sobrang alert ako sa gabi especially.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's the rainy season now. Grabe yung start, no? Parang, parang super intense kasi how many typhoons and, 'di ba? Parang sunod-sunod. And then parang kakapasok lang din ng mga kids.
Yeah, kakastart
So,
lang ng school year, di ba?
oo, tas biglang syempre wala nang pasok. And then wala na naman pasok. Although, my son actually hasn't started school yet. Sa August 5 pa siya.
Ano pa rin
So,
sila? But they are switching back to June. June start date ng class.
I'm not sure. Probably next year kasi um they s- kasi they ended late in May. So,
Ah,
I'm not sure. I haven't received a communication as well, but so far, I don't know. Like for preschool, it's hard to care deeply. Kung, kung
about
kailan.
start of classes. I mean, kasi
Yeah.
parang for me ha, parang if it's even sa sakit, parang kahit konting sakit lang, I would much
Mm-mm.
rather they stay at home. Kasi,
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you can always catch up, right? Sa classes and all that. Pero yung makakahawa ka pa ng iba, yun ang
Yeah.
ano ko, yun ang pinaka parang pet peeve ko siguro na parang, you're forcing kids to go to school for what? Because you don't want to miss a class? Because, parang madedelay ng konti. But then the bigger impact there is, what about the other kids? And you don't even know, right? Like, kunwari sa ganitong panahon, di ba? Parang, um, you don't know who's autoimmune already.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? So,
Yeah.
and so, pagka ganyan, when it comes to safety also, mas gusto ko, just stay home. Tapos mag-catch up na lang tayo. I'll help you, ganyan. I'll be there, right?
Yeah.
Pero like, if force mo, parang kakaawa din naman sa kids. So like, if they say na, actually kahit hindi nila sabihin may pasok, pero unsafe, hindi ko papapasukin
Mm-mm.
yung
Yeah.
kids ko.
Well, I think it's also the parents' responsibility. Tayo na naman magdidictate if they should
Yeah,
attend school or not, 'di ba?
yeah.
But the thing is, ayun, I remember there was a time na kakagaling lang ng anak mo and then goes back to school and then magkakasakit na naman, because
Oo.
of course, hawa-hawa and ano, ayun, wala,
Umiikot lang
nakakaawa
siya.
lang. Umiikot lang siya. Yes, correct. And then I remember parang, especially when it's the season of hand, foot, and mouth disease.
Oh, hate ko yun. Ayoko nun.
Yeah.
Awang-awa ako
Yeah.
sa kids when they had that.
Yeah. So Titan had that before. Tapos, na-shampoohan nung medyo maliit pa siya. So,
Mm-mm.
syempre, it's very hard to see kasi hindi lang siya lagnat eh. It's also like, uneasy kumain and like, masakit, ganyan. So, yeah.
And the thing
Mm.
about that is, hindi siya minsan hindi lumalabas agad yung blisters, right? So you don't
Mm-mm.
know kung ano bang meron dito, parang he's uneasy, hindi siya makatulog, iyak lang siya ng iyak, hindi siya
Mm-mm.
makakain. Yun ang pinaka-ayoko, yung uncertainty ba?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh well, the ano. And I guess, there I see why also some people na parang pinapabayaan nilang pumasok yung mga anak nila. Kasi
Mhm.
siguro kasi they have to work or whatever,
Yeah, yeah.
I get it naman. And ano lang, syempre, if yung anak mo na yung nahawa, syempre, it's different. It brings out
Yeah,
the
yeah.
worst in you.
I mean, I guess it's to each your own, right? To each your
Yeah.
own. But for me, my preference would be, hindi ako mandadamay ng iba. For like, ayoko na. Kasi
Yeah.
kaawa yung kids eh, right? So, it's just that.
Totoo. But I saw like a post and then like a pedia answering na kailan mo ba dapat, hindi papasukin yung anak mo or pwede na papasukin kahit may little cough here and there. So parang I saw na obviously pag may fever, don't make them attend school. I think that's pretty self-explanatory.
Yeah.
Tapos parang you have to wait like talagang 24 to 48 hours for them to be fever free before mo pabalikin.
Yes, yes.
Tapos, pag may sipon naman, parang 3 days, ganyan. And then, as long as it's not super runny and doesn't interfere with breathing,
Mm-hmm.
yun. And then, same with cough as well. So, yun. I was like, okay, that makes sense. Lalo na kung siguro 5 days na, di ba? Hindi na siya contagious. I don't
Oo.
know. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
But just best to ask your pedia.
Yes, that's true. Sabi ni Mommy Flor, kape daw tayo. Friend, hindi pa tayo nag-cheers. Dahil wala tayong wine.
Cheers, Frenny. Wala na tayo. Hindi na tayo nakakapag-wine. But when I go out, I have mocktails. How sad is that?
Sabi mo pa naman nun, ayoko ng mocktails. Ikaw ba sabi mo nun, di ba?
Exactly. That was me. Sabi ko, bakit ka pa magba-mocktails? Tas, okay, this is me.
Oo,
Now,
yeah, yeah.
taking it back, regretting what I said. So, my drink for today is water.
My drink is water and coffee.
Cheers,
And
Frenny.
then, I have rice.
Yes, happy episode 15. Rice. Alam mo kanina, Freddy, meron akong pag-game sa Instagram story ko. So I
Oh,
posted a photo of a turon, a piece of turon.
mm-hmm.
Sabi ko, can you guess kung pang ilang turon ko na to? The options are 4, 5, 6. Sige nga, ikaw, can you guess, Freddy?
6.
Oh, grabe ka. Did you really
Franny,
expect me to eat?
well, let's go big or go home.
No, 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 I get you. Hindi, pero natatawa ka. Sabi ko, whoever guesses it first wins an OL candle.
Oh, I need to restock my OL candles. Wala nang amoy-amoy.
Yes. But, so yun, natatawa lang ako kasi turon is like one of my favorite food, ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
Pero, ang career high ko sa pagkain ng turon, guess mo, Frenny, wala dun sa options. How many can I eat in one sitting?
10.
Hindi naman. 8 lang.
Close.
Close, yeah. Yes, I can have 8. But I used
Grabe.
to. I used to. Tapos it's not like a small turon na. Parang kaya ko
Mm-hmm.
mga ganyan.
Yung
Yan.
SM Turon, SM Hypermarket
No, a
Turon.
little a little smaller than that.
Ah,
Pero
okay.
yon. Tapos kanina sabi ni David, why don't you eat it during your episode? Sabi ko, wag na, nakakaya kasi they're gonna see the crunch and or hear the crunch. Tapos they're gonna see how fast I can devour.
And, sorry kasi si David ang nagsabi, so medyo, ang, alam mong may halong something.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I get it. Yeah.
Ano
Pero
ka?
kanina, in fairness, okay, because I'm pregnant and I'm trying
Mm-hmm.
to watch what I eat, sabi ni David Diaz yan. I only had 4. And so far, wala nakakuha ng correct answer.
Ay,
Yet.
so
Yes. Ang akala
sorry.
nila, lahat sila 5 or 6. I'm like, really? Do I look that hungry?
Did you judge
But,
me that much? Well,
yes,
yes, we
no.
did judge you that much.
No, it's okay. Yeah, so, but it's so yummy. Totoo, ang bigat sa tiyan. Correct. So, but I can eat like 8. Like, piling ako kumain ng
Yeah.
pang-dayo ako pagdating sa food trip.
Uy, I love turon, pero hindi ko kaya yung ganun kadami.
Very.
Although, sabi ni Mommy Sophia, she loves turon, lalo na pag ube. Ube lang ka. Tapos
Mm.
bagong oh my God, nagka-crave ako. Ube lang ka, the best. With, ano.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I like the bananas turon. Tatagalogin ko para hindi maintindihan ni David. Gusto ko yung, kasi for sure, as a, my
Merong
friends are like this. My friends
uh,
are
may
very
dirty
naughty.
connotation.
Yeah. Why do I have friends like this? Pero, no, but I like yung, natatawa talaga ako. Na-imagine ko pa lang yung sasabihin ninyong dalawa. No, pero, yung super, super soft na banana. Yung,
Okay.
yung super luto. Tapos yung matamis.
Okay, sige. Let's ask our moms right here. Mommies, do you like the really soft turon? Or,
Yung banana ha, hindi yung, the
yes,
skin is okay.
the very soft turon? Or the crispy and like firm ones? Ako gusto ko yung firm. Yeah, sabi nga ni Mami Ira, masarap daw pagka malambot yung saging. I don't know, there's about, there, for me, like, kunwari yung fritters lang, tas walang wrapper.
Mm-hmm.
I like the crispy ones.
Oh
Ayun.
yeah, yeah. Mhm.
Mm-mm.
The fritters
Pero
lang.
pag turon, I
Mhm.
like, yun, the firmer ones, the crunchy
Mhm.
ones. Yes, ayoko na ng soggy, but of course,
Nobody likes soggy.
nobody likes soggy. Yes,
Either way.
unfortunately. Ay, nako. I'm so glad. Alam mo, super game yung mga mommies dito. Nagko-comment sila.
Oo. O, di ba?
Si
Yes, right,
David.
banana. Sana hindi mag-comment si David.
Nag-comment na siya.
Mars! Nag-comment na siya. Sabi ko na, itong mga
Ayan.
kaibigan kong to,
Oo.
pagka talaga,
Yeah. Huy, 5:30 pa lang, sabi ni Mars. Exactly. It's the merienda time. And
yes,
anytime I can have turon. Anytime.
sana all.
Yeah. Anytime. Oh, you know what, Renny? Okay, let's go to let's stop this nonsense and talk about the real thing then. Hindi.
Wag ka,
Um,
nag-enjoy sila, tinan mo. Ngayon sila
oo,
active, oh.
oo nga Ayan, galit na siya. Ano daw si Daddy mo? Ay, nako. But, you know what? I was gonna start with, the second trimester updates.
Ang layo.
Ang
Ang
layo.
layo.
Pero kasi, when you're pregnant, you're so hormonal. And I love this season
Yes.
where when you're so excited and
About?
so about devouring. Sorry, mommy. We're struggling here.
Yes. Ang tawa ko, shucks.
Oo nga eh. Kaya I miss wine sometimes.
It's the double meaning of everything.
It's the double meaning of everything. Yeah, we're having fun. Yes, we know.
Yeah.
Oo. Ako, like, lagi ko sinasabi sa friends ko, sa inyo, what's the secret to looking young, being happy, is you maximize your time together.
Maximize. Yes.
Yes. Yes, okay. So we don't want to be seen as here, dirty,
Well, we're
dirty
not
mommies.
we're dirty but we're not crass.
Alam mo, alam mo, ano, alam mong it's really deep na kasi lumalalim na rin yung tawa ko when we talk about these things.
Hindi na nga ako makahinga eh.
Ako din, yes. Oh my, okay, I need a moment. Kasi naman yung turo na
Kinikinig-pawisan
yan
ako.
eh. Ako din, kasi naman yung turo na yan eh. But it was fun. So, yes, so far I can only eat four. Apat na turon in one sitting. But, ayun, wala nanalo. Feeling nila I can do five or six. But it's
One
okay.
more round daw. Isa pa. Shocks,
One,
bakit ganun? Parang iba-iba parang kahit anong sabihin natin, may ibig sabihin.
I mean, syempre we just want to have fun. Alam mo, na-miss ko na yung, I miss nga yung, girls day out and,
We should.
yes, talk about stuff.
Sasamahan ka
Yun.
namin mag-mocktails.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Natatawa ako kasi mga mommies natatawa din sila.
Oo. Laughter noon daw, sabi ni Mommy Flora.
Yes.
Si Mommy
They
Zerlene, tawan-tawa siya.
know. Sabi ni Mommy Ira, devouring the turon. They
Devouring
knew.
the dot dot dot.
The turon.
Mami, lagyan mo ng dot dot dot.
Turon.
Dot dot dot.
Turon.
Turon.
Mamaya yung mga mommies na nag-enter, iba yung maisip nila. But if you think that that's it, that's it.
Yeah, whatever you think, whatever floats your boat.
Yes, yes, whatever it is. Oh well, okay, sige.
Yeah.
Sobrang na-segue na tayo, Fernie, no?
Yes.
Pero
But at
yeah,
least we're happy.
yeah, we are happy. Yes. Alam nyo, like we don't talk much. We just, we send memes, right? We send Instagram
Videos.
reels and videos, but it's just nice to like also talk to mommies online.
Yeah.
And a lot of these moms actually parang ang tagal na nating nakakausap from before pa,
Oo.
from our first few episodes. So wala na, nakakatawa. Tapos marami dyan ka-chat ko na parang, they update me on life, life stuff, and then I do the same. So, ayun, nakakatuwa din if you have this like community, meet more moms.
Mm-hmm.
Ayun.
That's true.
And you meet moms talaga na like-minded. So,
Like,
so, so that's the part na nakakatuwa with
yes,
this
that's true.
community. Yeah. Ano bang mga nangyari? Actually, oy, I wanted to share pala, no? Ano
Mm-hmm.
yung mga, I attended two events. I went to the HIP event and
Mm-hmm.
also the Imani I2 Pro events. So let's talk about that later. Pero yung HIP, alam mo, super natuwa ako, Fanny. Have you
Yeah,
tried the HIP for your babies?
I haven't.
Oh,
I
you
haven't.
haven't?
Mm.
Okay. Yeah, so I attended that. I was actually excited when I received an invite from them. Pero nakakatuwa because I've never attended. This is my first event na sobrang informational.
Oh,
And yeah, so they had like a gastropedia talking and then also the
what's a
CEO.
gastropedia?
Oh, I don't even know if that's the right but um pero like digestion doctor for kids and like what do you call this? Yung mga pagka nagkakasakit, diarrhea and stuff, like then anything about the gut.
Oh, parang
So yun.
gastroenterologist pala, pero pedia. Okay.
Yes, so for kids specifically. So
Mm-hmm.
ayun, we learned a lot about, of course, food, what we feed our kids. And then, of course, they also shared stuff about their or ingredients of their milk. And natutuwa ako kasi when I gave birth to Titan, that was 5 years ago. And
Mhm.
parang siguro third month niya or second month niya, I asked the pedia. Sabi ko, ano, Doc, ano bang milk ang mabibigay mo? Kasi like,
Mhm.
we're moving to a new place, ganyan-ganyan, kind of busy. Sometimes I don't have time to pump. So I want something that's similar to breast milk. Tapos, that's when I first heard about hip. So
Oo.
she said, have you tried hip organic? Sabi niya yun, try mo. It's like the ingredients are good. It's very close to breast milk, ganyan. So, and then I tried it. And then, to my surprise, na wala siyang kahit anong confusion sa anak ko.
Mhm.
And then, okay din lahat ng output niya. So when I attended that event, sabi ko, okay, because it doesn't have like sugars, fake sugars, and it's
Compared to other
um
formula, no?
compared to other formula. Yes. So they have milk then for colic and what do you call this? Yung mga may gut issues. So
Yeah.
if you don't breastfeed, parang that's the second best, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, ayun, nakakatuwa lang kasi, yeah, so like what I said earlier, parang it's hard, it's so refreshing to go to events na may information, na may care. It's not just like, and pinaka gusto ko is yung they don't upsell. You know, they don't upsell.
Oh.
Wala silang, oh, this is how you make money out of, you know, this product, or you can
Mhm.
be an affiliate or something. No, it's purely informational.
Yeah.
And um, yun, super okay siya. So I use that milk also like, kunwari nagta-travel kami, may
Mhm.
mga times na parang, you know, gusto mo na lang bigyan, syempre, because medyo
Tired ka na.
inconvenient and tired
Oo.
ka na. Yeah. And then that's also the milk that I used when he turned 2 years old.
Mhm.
Two and a half. Yun. So yeah, nakakatuwa. Sorry, may question ng
May
Frenny.
question
Pwede
ka.
ba si hip organic to kids with cow's milk protein allergy or may cow's milk din siya? Shucks, I forgot this part, Mommy Sophia. I'm so sorry.
Pero I think si
Um,
ano, si Mars Pauline is here. Di ba she
mm-mm.
was with you? She was asking me nga if I could go. Kaso, ano yun, may client visit yata ako around that time
Oo.
eh. So, hindi ako
Mm-mm. Sabi
nakapunta.
niya sa
Pero,
akin niya.
parang ang fun nga eh. Parang, kasi di ba parang it's so rare to go to like, to that kind of event na
Mm-mm.
wala silang makukuha from you. Alam mo yun, parang
Yeah.
hindi siya,
Mm-mm.
ano eh, hindi siya what's in it for them lang eh, right? So,
Right. Yeah. So, super, na-appreciate ko siya.
mhm.
Ayun, and then people say that it's pricey, but if you compare it to others, mas marami siyang scoops actually,
Pero you
compared
know,
to the usual formula for some
may,
other brands.
yeah. Pero kasi, parang sabi ng pedya namin before, um, sorry, God rest his soul, he died during the pandemic. Pero,
Oh no.
yeah, he was so cool. Pero yung pedya na yun, chinek up niya si Kyrie kasi he was getting sick a lot. Tapos, sabi niya, switch your milk. At that time, hindi pa, tagal na nun eh. Siguro wala pang hip nun dito sa Philippines. Pero, ang nire-recommend niya is another brand. But sabi niya, I know it's expensive. So I guess the concept is the same, right? You know it's expensive, but you would much rather invest in an expensive but healthy um food or drink for your
Mm-hmm.
child than spend it on hospital bills. Tapos doon ako
Right.
napaisip na parang, oh, ano, parang, yeah, parang in our quest to be good, thrifty moms, 'di ba? We kind of
Mm-hmm.
forget those things. And so, it's all about investing also in what's good for your kids.
Yeah. Actually, ako, that's one of my main lessons from the firstborn to
Mm-hmm.
to
Yeah.
Titan. Parang I really wanted to make sure na okay yung health niya as far as food intake, as much as I can. I delayed sweets, chocolates, candies, ganyan. And to
Mm-mm.
really focus on whole foods. So I
Yes.
saw like the difference. Actually, mas picky pa yung panganay ko na na kung ano-ano kinain, right? Pero yung anak ko, like, yung second ko, super bigat, super
Mm-hmm.
tangkad, get sick, but also never siyang super weak. Alam mo yun,
Mm-hmm.
pagka when he gets sick, like, he still has all the energy. So,
Yeah.
parang makikita mo talaga yung difference. Ayun, so, yeah, it's something that I really want to focus on. And also for my third baby. Yun,
Yeah.
so, continue doing that lang. Ayun, so nakakatuwa yung HIP event. Like, I hope more moms also focus on, actually, the primary focus of that event is really advocating for our kids' gut health. Kasi like ngayon, parang of course with all the busyness of motherhood and
Mm-hmm.
or just parents, right? Parang kung ano na lang na what we can feed them na parang mas convenient is yun yung what do you call this?
Yun yung
Mas
pipiliin.
pinipili ng mga parents,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And now, kahit yung mga food ngayon, ang dami ng artificial sweeteners, different kinds
Yes.
of oils. And then the CEO actually talked about how chickens now, um, parang before, parang takes them 70 days to like, grow or hatch eggs whatsoever. And then
Yeah.
ngayon parang 30 days na lang.
Oh,
Kasi
is it GMO? Ganon, no?
yes, yung mga ganyan. So parang they inject something
Yeah.
na to keep up with the food supply, parang ganyan.
To
But
meet the
then,
demand.
to meet the demand. And then, they also recognize, 'di ba, dahil sa mga artificial preservatives or whatever they put in the chickens, parang yung kids ngayon, parang it was called out in Mexico, parang yung mga kids ngayon, like ages 7 to 10 years old pa lang, nagkakaroon na ng boobs or ng breasts because of parang injections like that or something.
Yeah. Hormones kasi, alam ko, hormones ang in-inject nila dun sa mga chickens and yung mga,
Yeah.
'di ba, yung mga
Mm-mm.
unorganic. Um, but then that also explains why, because I saw something in Threads. I'm not, I'm not in social media as much, but I do read Threads. Nandun ako sa Threads. Kasi hindi siya ganun ka-toxic. But in
Yeah.
Threads, I read somewhere, someone say, bakit yung mga kids ngayon parang ang aga mag-mature?
Yeah.
And maybe
Correct.
that's because of that, right? Kasi yung intake natin eh, 'di ba? Parang
Mm-hmm.
even my daughter, she had her period very early.
Yes,
Yeah,
exactly.
very
So, ang
early.
dami rin mga pamangkin ko din, like, they all
Yeah.
had their period. Versus tayo, like, ako, I think 13 years old.
I had mine
Ngayon,
15.
yeah. So, as early as, like, mga yun, mga pamangkin ko, like, 8,
Yeah.
9, diba? So, it was actually a good reflective moment then,
Mm-hmm.
like, for parents to learn about what they feed their kids. Like, it's
Yes, yes.
so important. Ayun. And then siguro for me din ang isa sa mga takeaways ko dun is reading the ingredients at least.
Yeah.
Like knowing what you feed your kids, ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
So, ngayon, that was a really good experience.
Yeah.
Wait lang. Until pang ilan ang hip milk, mommy? Actually, meron silang from newborn up to meron silang up to kinder milk. May 1 to 3 sila. May 3. May 3 onwards din sila. So, I think 3 to 4, ganyan.
Mm-hmm.
So, pero ako kasi like, I also weaned him off milk. Siguro mga 4, ganyan. Parang
Milk in
mga
general.
fresh milk na lang, ganyan, pag
Mm-hmm.
nanghingi. But I don't offer it anymore.
Ah,
Especially kung malakas naman mag-solids.
yeah. Yeah.
So, yun, talagang sinanay ko sa water. Yun. Yeah, so that was the one of the events that I attended. And then, of course, the Imani I2 Pro event. We missed you there, Franny.
Oh, well, I didn't get the invite, but I also can't kasi that's
Kasi,
okay. No hard
yeah,
feelings.
yeah, yeah, well, yeah, times are, different now na, syempre we
Yeah.
don't breastfeed na din, ganyan.
Yes, tsaka mas relevant yung event for those who are, can use that. Plus, I'm not as, ang dami kong plus. Pero hindi na ako as active sa, 'di ba, sa wearable pumps. So,
Yeah,
I've handed it over to Jigs. Hindi ko pa nakikita si Jigs, busy pa siguro siya, but she's the new lead of wearable pump. So ako, nandun na ako sa sidelines. Nakikichismis lang.
yeah, mm-hmm, yeah, oo nga eh. But yeah, it's okay, like, it's one of like the first few groups that was established during the pandemic. So, ang dami na ring members ngayon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's time to move on to, the next generation of breastfeeding women.
Yes.
Ayun.
And
So,
bigger things.
yes, and
Nako,
bigger things. Correct.
double meaning na naman tayo.
Yes, pero yun, nakaka-happy kasi ako excited din ako mag-pump. Like, I was actually thinking, ano yung mga breast pumps na isi-save ko for myself
Oo.
when I start pumping. And I
Meron
feel
ka na
like,
bang top?
meron na, of course. The Imani i2 Pro is there, of course, kasi nga it
Mhm.
only has two parts. So it's very
The best.
appealing. It's like the best, right? And I'm not a fan of silicone. So
Yeah.
mas gusto ko yung hard flange. So
Yes,
yun
me
yung isa
too.
isa din sa mga exciting parts about the i2 Pro.
You know what I don't like sa mga, well, gumana naman siya sa akin. Naging hiyang naman ako sa I2. Um,
Mm.
pero parang it's just for me parang if there was a hard flange, I would get that. Kasi yung first ng Imani is the hard one, right? I think the Gen 1,
Yeah.
hard yung flange nun eh. Gustong gusto ko yun. Pero kasi gusto ko yung motor nung 2. So, di ba may
Yeah.
screen yan? Gusto ko siya.
Mm-mm.
So, ayun.
Yeah.
If I had the opportunity, I'd probably pick that too. Plus yun nga, revolutionary in two parts.
Yes, super. Tsaka imagine like for everyone who washes their
Yeah. At ako
their
talaga
ano,
nag-wash ng
yeah.
parts.
Mm-mm. Ako minsan hindi ko na kaya. Pinapasabay ko
Oo.
na lang sa mga dishes.
Oo. Oh, hindi.
Lalo
Talaga
na
ako.
pag lalo na pag malaki na yung baby
Ah,
mo,
oo
does
naman.
not need, the
Oo.
whole shebang of sterilization and stuff.
Yes. Matibay na yung gut niya.
Yes, matibay na ang gut niya. So, yun yung mga isa sa mga gusto ko i-save. And
Oo.
also, the Mom Cozy M6.
Uy, ang ganda
Yun.
nun, ng Mom Cozy. And then
Mm-hmm.
there's another one that you were supposed to review, di ba? Yung Eufy. Siguro for me,
Na-review
yun
ko
yung
na. Yeah.
top three, oo. Oo nga pala.
Yuffie din, yeah. Ang sa akin, you know what? It's a really good breast pump. Kasi hospital
Eufy.
grade siya. Wearable din
Oo.
siya. May heating function. Ang hindi ko lang gets doon is hindi waterproof yung I mean, I know why, yung charging case niya.
Mhm.
Pero kasi for me, big deal din yung case ng pumps.
Yes.
Kung meron kang case, you should be able to bring that
Anywhere.
everywhere,
Yeah.
Tapos lagyan mo lang sa bag mo, right? But then, hindi siya waterproof. So, parang kung gamit mo na siya outside, you have to put it in a Ziploc or washable or something.
Yeah.
Um, so parang it's a separate bag. Parang gano'n.
Oo.
So, yun yung medyo okay for the price of like 25K.
Oo. You could
Yun.
have.
Pero, you could have, yes. Pero, I guess it's also too much to ask considering na
Mhm.
yun yung charging case na din.
Baka
Um,
naman sa Gen 2 nila, di ba? So, let's see. Let's
yeah,
see.
hopefully. Pero kasi super impressive yung heating function. I think you can't
Yeah.
beat that. So, kaya siya, for me, for us, Nipnok approved siya kasi nga, it's one
Yes.
of a kind and super okay.
And didn't Karen say that Yuffie is Anchor?
Oh, yeah, yeah. She said that. Yeah.
Oo. Eh, Anchor, I love Anchor. A lot of my,
Yeah.
yung mga chargers ko dito sa bahay, puro Anchor.
Mm-mm.
Yan.
Yeah.
Yung headset, my daughter she has a favorite headset na sira na't lahat. She would still wear it. Naka ano siya, yung ganon.
Mm-mm.
It's Anchor. Ang tagal nun. Tapos naupuan lang ni Kyrie kaya siya nasira. Pero she loves
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
Tapos, yun lang yung nakasundo niya talaga na headset. So, when we bought her another one as a replacement, Anchor pa rin.
Mm-mm. Yeah. Oh well. It's a
Uy,
really good brand.
speaking of which, ang hip ba does it have chocolate flavor?
No, I don't
Just
think
milk.
so.
Yeah.
Yeah, just milk. Yeah.
Kasi si Gavin, we can never make him drink milk. Like anything
Mm-mm.
with milk, ayaw niya ng milk. Pero yung Pediasure, naloko namin siya kasi may chocolate siya.
May
Chocolate.
chocolate.
So, nauto namin siya
Yeah.
dun sa part na yun.
Marami nga, yeah, for those who cannot drink milk.
But
Pediasure is the way to go.
speaking of, what do you call this? Pediasure, he doesn't like yung Pediasure na tinitimpla. I don't know why. Wala naman dapat difference sa lasa yun, di ba? Pero gusto niya
Wait,
naka-tetra
ano ba
pack.
yung oh, may liquid form? I thought
Yes.
lahat sila tinitimpla.
Oo. No. May tinitimpla, tas merong
Mm,
liquid form. Tas dun siya sa liquid. Yung pre-made. Yun yung gusto niya. So, mas mahal. Pero sabi ko, sige lang, okay. At least
yeah.
nagda-drink siya kasi ang tagal niyang hindi no dairy at all. No, no, so wala siyang, ano tawag doon? Medyo low siya sa calcium, ganyan.
Mhm.
Because yung ayaw niya talaga. Kahit ano.
Yeah.
So it was hard. It's so hard to have like a special child. But uh when we go to therapy, doon namin nakikita na parang, oh my gosh, high ano pa pala siya. High functioning pa pala siya nung lagay na yun.
That's good.
Mm-mm.
That's good. I'm
Anyway,
happy for Gavin.
yeah.
Yeah.
Well, matutuwa ka,
Um,
dami na siyang achievements, tsaka kalokohan.
yeah, I miss him. Next time we'll have a play date.
Yes.
Ayun, yes, sabi ni Mommy Sofia, sakto breastfeeding month. Actually, yes, we have surprises for
Oh,
breastfeeding month. Yes, this August yun, di ba? Yes, August siya. Grabe, August na.
I think so.
Where did time go? August na, mommies. Can you believe that?
H2.
Oh my goodness, mag-August na. I remember nung last episode natin, sabi ko rin, June na.
Diba?
June na, tapos
Time
patapos na yung
flies.
first half of the year. And then, when you think about, like, ano na yung mga nagawa mo? Mag-August na, and then magbo-ber months na. So, it is crazy. Yes, Mommy Ross, try mo. Kasi, I think for me, there's really convenience pagka nagtitimpla ka outside, tapos you're on the go, ganyan. And parang for me, then, lalo na yung may mga moments of growth spurts na kahit anong feed mo from you, hindi na talaga enough.
Oo.
So,
Lalo na when
so,
they're at that age, no?
yes. So, ako, that's what I did before to supplement it. Naalala ko din, when we're so pressured to like pump and build the supply, ganyan.
Mm-mm.
Tapos you're still breastfeeding at the same time. Ang ginawa ko noon is I used hip probably for like 24 hours. Pero ako, I kept pumping for me.
Mm. Para
Sa
nakapag-stash
nakapag,
ka.
nakapag-stash ako. Sabi ko, okay, hindi na ako papaka-stress na, while breastfeeding and then I'll pump
Yeah.
at the same time. Minsan kasi, tas madedepress ka na, ay, onti lang.
Oo.
So, yeah. So, parang it was really a great alternative at that time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, and definitely, if for my third baby, sounds crazy, my third baby. Um, for sure, I will also use it because super okay talaga nakita ko na yung effects niya. Yun. Ayun. And then, kamusta kayo, mommies? Totoo, parang dumadaan na lang talaga yung araw ngayon. Feeling ko din, June pa. Yes, super bilis ng araw. Grabe, actually, July, August, tapos mag-per months na. Yeah, grabe yung bilis ng panahon ngayon.
Sobrang, my gosh. Mag-birthday na yung mga anak ko, sunod-sunod pa naman. September, October, November. And then ako din,
Yeah,
uh, and
oo.
then the entire
December ba,
family yata.
Frenny? December ba, Frenny?
No, October din. Pero like, everybody in the
October ba tayo
family.
naghanda nun sa bahay? Oh, yeah.
October.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
I remember.
October. So, second quarter pala kayo of the month. Ang galing kami naman first quarter of the month lahat.
Lahat, di ba? Kami.
Mm-mm. Ay, hindi pala first quarter.
Third
First half
quarter na
of the
kami.
year. First
Ah,
half of the year.
kami second
Yun.
half.
Yung parang ubus na lahat. Kasi kakagaling lang ng Christmas, tas anniversary namin ni David. Lagi
Oo.
niya sinasabi. Tapos may Valentine's Day pa.
Tapos Mother's
Tapos,
Day.
tapos birthday ko. Tapos
Oo.
birthday ni David. Tapos ni Ice. Tapos ni Titan. And then Mother's Day. Oh my. So, yan.
Ay.
Intense. Tapos madadagdagan pa ng isa. My due date is
Oo.
actually December, Frenny. So, siya yung
Ang
iba.
layo! Well,
Yes, yes.
you know what? I feel like it's in preparation.
Oo, the
Because
starter.
that brings us to your next.
Yes. To my next one. Alam mo, sobrang, super, I feel like I'm such a lazy pregnant mom. Sobrang lazy ko. 'Di ba? Alam mo yung when you become, sa, for me at least, pag nabuntis
Mm-hmm.
ako, I'm gonna do all these milestone videos, blah, blah,
Oo.
blah, and all
Dami
the
mong plano.
photo shoots and whatsoever. Tapos eto, wala akong nagawa. Maski
Uy,
gender reveal, hindi ko trip gawin. Like, why am I
wala.
like this?
Inuubos niya ang lahat sa'yo. Because, eto na, yan
Yes.
ang hinihingi nila gender reveal na daw, Freddy. Gender reveal
Hello.
time. Ako na lang mag-picture sa inyo.
Wait lang.
Aba,
Kasi, tapos natatawa ako kasi I haven't told a lot of people actually, right? So, onti
yes.
lang. Kayo-kayo lang. Kayo, tas, my family
Family.
knows, obviously, right? So, and I haven't announced anything at all. Tapos pag ina-announce ko sa friends ko, super underwhelming. Like, uy, eto na siya.
Oy, by the way,
Ay, nako. Nakakatawa.
ayan, excited na sila.
Yeah. Okay.
Excited na
So,
sila.
yun yung second trimester update. I'm so lazy. And then, um, tapos, Franny, you know what's weird?
What?
Sobrang tamad ko mag-ayos. Like, look
Oo.
at me, okay? I'm such a different person.
Kukontra sa'yo si Mars kasi nung lumabas tayo, sabi mo, tamad na tamad ako mag-ayos pero paglabas natin, biglang pak! Boom! Ganda ni girl!
I think it's just, the aura. But, oo, syempre friends tayo. Ganun talaga. Um, pero yun, so natatawa lang ako kasi ilang months na to, 5 months na. Hindi pa ako nakapagpa-nails.
Mhm.
Yung eyelash extensions ko, Frenny, eto pa rin.
Nalaglag na.
Wala na siya. May onti na lang. And then, kinakatamaran ko pa minsan yung maligo.
Oo. 'Di ba? Bakit ako, hindi naman ako buntis, pero minsan, madalas tinatamad ako
I
maligo.
think it's the weather. Ay, nako. Pero, ayun. So, I already have two boys. Of course, when we were sa ultrasound, Meron akong luha na tumulo kasi akala ko, ah,
It's an,
yun na siya.
oh,
Wait. Okay. Ano ba yan? Sobrang underwhelming ng gender reveal. No? Hindi. So, kukwento ko sa inyo, Mami. So, when I went to the ultrasound, sabi ng OB, oh, ayan. Kasi I
mm,
was just 18 months at that time. So, 2 weeks na namin alam. Magta
yeah.
3 weeks na, ganyan. And then, sabi niya, pinapag-guess niya sa akin, nakita ko yung lawit. Nakita ko yung lawit. Sabi ko, tapos may luha na. Tapos
Kasi,
may
oh my
luha na.
God. Oo.
Sabi ko, oh my. And then even before this,
Oo.
pinagpe-pray ko na, Lord, sana ayoko ma-depress na pag-boy, syempre. Kasi, di ba, I don't
Siyempre,
want
it's
it.
a, oo, baby
It's a
mo yun, di
blessing,
ba?
right? Oo, blessing ko pa din. And you know what they say, na feel nila yon.
Mhm.
Ganyan. Tapos, so, ayun na, nakita ko yung lawit, tapos parang may nakita akong balls. Yun. Tapos sabi nung OB, sabi niya, can you check again? Ganon. Sabi ko, are you sure? Ayun yung lawit. So parang medyo ano, tapos parang nagtitingnan na kami ng David kasi parang, shucks, boy ba talaga?
Oo. Are
And
you gonna be a
then,
full-time
boy
boy mom?
mom. Yes. But then, the OB said, ay, eto na mami, tatype ko na lang ha, para suspense. Sabi niya, ayaw mo ba talaga mag-gender reveal? Sabi ko, may
Oo.
nakita na akong lawit. May gender reveal ba? Pero sabi ko, no, it's okay. Kung ano na lang ibigay ni Lord, di ba?
Oo.
So yun, as she was typing, so nakaganyan lang ako. Tapos yun, when I opened my eyes, sabi ko, oh, baby girl nakalagay.
Oh, dahil dyan, bigyan natin ng pink na heart. Pink hearts! Ayan!
Ayan.
Team girl. Team girl din ako.
Yes,
I
team
told
girl.
you. I felt it from the first time you said, I think I'm pregnant. I knew it as a girl.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. So we are having a very, very arty baby girl.
Oo. Kinuha niya talaga sa'yo lahat, Franny.
Yeah. Kinuha niya lahat ng lakas
Oo.
ko at pagpapaganda ko for this
Yes.
pregnancy.
And that's why I say
Um,
it's a blessing na December siya lalabas.
yeah.
Dahil nakabawi ka na nun.
Mm,
Lahat ng trips na pwede mong i-take, di ba? Tapos nakapag-ipon ka na ng konti para meron kayong pampaparty,
yeah.
ganyan.
Mm.
Di ba? Peace.
Sobrang naiyak ako. As in, siguro mga, parang it took me like maybe 3 or 4 days. Sabi ni David,
Oh,
"Oh, ba't ka pa umiiyak?" Sabi ko kasi I can't believe it, you know.
I think,
First of all,
oo.
go Frenny.
And I think at this point, Rennie, it's safe to say this is the most confused David has been in your marriage. No?
Ay, grabe, Frenny, my craziness and hormonal issues. Sobrang it's been intense. Yeah, I feel
Oo.
bad for him. Yeah, kasi you know me, for the most part, I'm
Yes.
kind of logical and 'di
You're
ba?
very level-headed. You're very
Mm.
pragmatic. You're not irrational. So, like, I guess at this point, parang si David, what is happening to the world? What's
Ay,
going
nako.
on?
Yeah,
But you know,
naiyak
it's
ako ulit.
practice. It's just
Naiyak ako
practice,
ulit, yeah.
David. So,
For
good luck to
another
you.
girl.
No, but it's practice because sabi nila, whatever it is that you're going through right now is what
Mhm.
they're going to go through as dads. 'Di ba? So parang
Yeah.
like yung craziness that they're experience that you're experiencing na nakikita niya or like yung arte mo sa food sa lahat, 'di ba? Sorry, David.
Yeah, pero alam mo, Fanny, sobrang nakakaano lang ako. Parang siguro naiyak ako because before we got pregnant,
Mm-mm.
we were already discussing, him getting a vasectomy.
Oh.
Tapos, sabi ko, paano pag nabuntis ako ulit, Parang
Oo.
I'm already almost 40. I don't think,
Yeah.
you know, I can do this pa. Parang nakaka-stress na, right? But then, there's always the thought in my head na parang, what about Nipnok? 'Di ba? How
Mm-hmm.
can
Mm-hmm.
I was also thinking of the longevity of Nipnok and how I can prolong that, the early stages of motherhood where we can
Mm-hmm.
help
And
more
sustain
moms
it, yeah.
and sustain it, ganyan. Um, Ayun, so doon medyo naiyak ako. Naiyak lang ako kasi parang siguro we've been trying for a long time tapos parang sabi namin, whatever.
Mm-hmm. Tapos
Whatever.
ito na.
We're also not trying and
Oo.
parang syempre nakakaiyak lang din na parang feeling ko minsan na do I deserve more blessings, Because,
Of course you do.
this year we just moved into a new house tapos
Mm-hmm.
parang biglang ito naman, it's overwhelming but at the same time nakakaiyak, nakaka-stress. And it's stressful in a good way. And you know what? Nung nabuntis ako, di ba I was telling you guys na parang do I want another
Oo.
pregnancy,
Am I
another
ready
baby?
for this?
Yeah, kasi I'm enjoying na our freedom. 'Di ba? Alam mo yung when you're graduate na sa mga diapers and
Mm-hmm.
milk and school
I
na
think
siya.
it's also because you've resigned yourself to the fact na baka wala na kasi nga 40 ka na, ganyan, you're reaching your 40, so baka wala na talaga. So parang nandun ka na sa part na yun eh, na parang you let go of the thought na that there's hope,
Yeah.
di ba? Kasi if you were
Mm-hmm.
still hoping, hindi mo basta-bastang maaalis sa system mo yung, hindi mo siguro iisipin na, okay na eh, parang free na ako dapat eh, di ba? Tapos parang biglang, gano'n eh. But like,
Yeah.
I think it's also because, you know, kahit pa paano may longing for like solo time na kayong dalawa lang, 'di ba?
Mm-mm. Yeah. Yeah, and I definitely enjoyed our freedom where, we can travel na, wala na masyado
Yeah.
iniisip. Tapos, meron na kaming hindi nag-aaral na panganay and then, di ba, we're adding another one. So, things like that.
Oo.
And then, last year also, I remember na parang syempre nagpipray ako na minsan, I want a baby girl, Pero
Mhm.
sabi ko na, Lord, bigyan mo na lang ako ng peace. Like, if you want me to have another baby, that would be great. If not, then okay na.
Mhm.
Tapos ayun, nagulat ako. And it was actually Mars Pauline. I remember
Mhm.
when I had my photo shoot nung She Rose, nung Shadrach,
Oo.
the two models there were girls. The
Mm.
two
Naku, ito
babies
sign
were
talaga.
girls. Yung
Mm.
pamangkin ko at saka yung isa pang newborn na girl. Tapos when I was carrying them, parang ako naiiyak. Sabi ko, ang cute-cute naman ng girl. Tapos yun, nag-pray na naman ako. Sabi ko, Lord, if, ang cute ng girl, I don't want to manifest it, but maybe if you want to give me one,
Yeah.
sure. So parang looking back, very monumental and
Yeah.
remarkable nung photo shoot ko na yun.
Ang lakas mo kay Lord, Penny. Naiiyak ako for you. No, but kasi you're saying kanina na you're not, do you deserve this? Of course you do. You have a golden heart. I think
Mm.
among all of the friends that I know, you're the one who, kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap, you're the one who will cry with me or
Mm-mm.
laugh with me. And, it takes somebody who has a very good heart to be able to do that, diba? Especially for like people like me who are not very easy to may sasabihin akong word pero bang iisip ni David Bastos. Naiiyak na ako eh. No, but very hard to connect with. And
Mm-mm.
so, parang I see that. I see that in you. So everything that you have right now, you totally deserve a lot of it. No questions asked. Not a lot, like everything. You deserve everything that you have right now. So do not question that at all.
Yeah, naiyak ako.
Pero kasi naisip ko yung sasabihin ko, sasabihin na naman niya, bastos yan. So,
Yeah. So, ayun, nakakatuwa. Siyempre, and I'm also scared kasi first time mom
Mm.
experience, di ba?
First time na
Sabi ko pa
girl.
naman, oo, yeah, first time girl experience. Sabi ko pa naman kay David, alam mo, pag parang I was conditioning myself, alam mo, pag boy, it's fine. I think I'm a good boy, mom. Ganyan, ganyan. Tapos ayun, so nagulat ako, girl. And then, I can't believe, like, it's my first time buying, pink clothes, dresses,
Yeah.
ganyan, and stuff like that. So, ang arte-arte ko pa naman. Tapos, I don't know, Franny, if you remember, alam mo yung headband na binili namin ni David, like, basta 8 years ago.
Oo.
When after we got married, we bought a headband kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng baby girl. 8 years ago yon. Tapos sabi ko, ay sige, let's try for, kids, ganyan. And then
Mhm.
yun, boy. Tapos,
Hindi nagamit yung headband.
hindi ko na nagamit yung headband. So ngayon, magagamit ko na siya. So exciting. Pero
I'm so
ginagamit ko
happy for
siya
you.
when I get ready. Pero, ayun. Tapos, ayun, wala lang. Share ko lang. Such a, everything is just, God's timing.
Yes, that's true. That's true. Kaya dyan, manifest mo nga, Franny, magkaroon akong 3 million pesos.
Ay, nako. Alam mo, Freddy, alam mo, hindi ko pa natatry mag-manifest yan. Pero, pero kasi syempre, pagdating sa pera, I just say na kung ano yung kailangan namin. That,
Oh, yeah, yeah,
that
yeah.
the Lord
That's true.
provides. I
That's true.
also don't want to be greedy.
And it
Kasi sa
takes
totoo
ano
naman, we're
eh.
blessed.
Yeah, and it takes, I guess, it takes both people saying the same prayer together, right?
Mm-hmm.
For it to happen. In a partnership, that's what I read in one of the books that I have in here. I'm looking at it right now. But I just remembered, sabi niya parang if you both in a partnership or in a marriage, you both will not achieve the same dreams if you don't pray about it together. So it has to be, hindi pwedeng
Yeah.
same prayer tas magkaiba kayo ng, 'di ba? Magkaibang time yung ginagawa. It has to be like you both being in sync in your minds and your hearts being in sync at the same time. It may be
Mm-hmm.
religious, it may not be religious, but like, if you look at it both ways, right? Ganun siya. That's how you manifest things for you both. So I think you both are doing that and you're doing an amazing job at that. So that's why. That's why. Diba? That's why you're like that.
Oo. And naman, like, we do our best to be in sync. Actually, si David, he's more excited when I got pregnant. Ako kasi parang,
Parang ganun.
parang sobra. Like, grabe talaga yung hormones ko. And of course, it's not always perfect. Like, parang, siguro lately lang na parang sinabihan ako ni David na, what's going on, what's wrong, ganyan. Tapos I can't explain myself. And it's just like, a very crazy, I'm just
Yeah.
being crazy and parang hindi ko alam. Like, I'm so happy, but I don't express it.
Yeah. You're
Parang
happy
ganon.
inside,
Yeah, but
but not
parang
very much outside.
I'm very, oo, alam mo naman, my RBF is so strong too. Diba? So parang, and then I also got triggered with nausea in the first
Mm-mm.
trimester na parang I was just so out of it. So
Yeah.
parang yun. Ayun, pero he's been very patient with me, so sobrang na-appreciate ko
You
na
know, that's true. And it takes a
sabi,
lot of maturity.
yeah, sabi ko nga okay, this is why like PPD happens and like cases like infidelity happens. No, because sometimes we forget to communicate
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we're just being crazy, and it's one of the things about pregnancy and postpartum that's overlooked most of the time.
Yeah, yeah, that's true. So, yeah, mommies,
Parang nakita ko
you
yung thought
hear the
bubbles
lesson.
mo.
Nakita mo yung thought bubbles ko, tapos pinop ko yung thought bubbles. That's called maturity, character development.
Yes. Ay, nako. But we're all, of course, I know that we're all doing our best, right?
Yes, yes. And I'm sure you guys are too, the mommies that we have in here. Ma-achieve nyo din yan. Whatever it is that you're wishing for. Pero yun lang ang sasabihin ko. If you both want to achieve the same things, you have to pray together. Pray together, ha? Yeah.
Yes, pray together
Malaking
for
bagay yan.
it. Oo. Malay mo, ikaw gusto mo mag-manifest ng 3 million. Siya pala, okay na siya. Edi,
Oo, di ba? Ako lang.
edi
Or iba pala.
magkaiba pala kayo.
Oo, iba pala may na-manifest, di ba? So, yun. You never know, right? Kasi sometimes ganun talaga eh. May mga, when you don't meet in the middle, things like that, they tend to happen. So, it's important that you really do communicate because
Mhm.
dun, whatever is going on, right? Dun mafi-fix, dun ma-resolve, or, you get somewhere at least when you talk. But,
Mhm.
yeah, yun na iniisip ko lang kasi tinignan ko yung, alam mo kanina pa nagpa-pop yung book na yun dito sa harapan ko eh. So, when you said that, talagang parang lumutang siya, yung kita-kita ko yung title nasa bookshelf ko. So, wala, naalala ko lang bigla. But I am happy
Yeah.
for you, Franny. I'm happy for you and David kahit na crazy ka. Um, and na hirap siyang intindihin ka. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan, Pards. You got this.
Yeah. Sabi ko nga, siguro, sabi niya, parang it's a taste of what's coming, no?
Oh, yes, it is.
Mini me.
Could be
And
worse.
then,
You never know.
I know, right? Sabi niya nga, pero alam mo, Frenny, I'm excited kasi, so far, I'm very minimalist when it comes
Oh.
to shopping and stuff.
Oo.
So, yun, sabi ko, I'll try. We'll try our best. Si David kasi very, siya, wala. Baka maubos yung pera natin dyan sa babaeng.
Oo. Oo.
Sa girl na yan.
And wait until she's out and she starts pointing at stuff
I know, right?
because, yeah.
Yeah. Yun, of course, the family is so happy. Syempre, si Titan super excited din.
Yeah. Naku, kuya na.
Um,
Kuya na si
pero
Titan.
initially, he wants a baby sister. Pero nung
Ah.
sinabi kong baby girl, sabi niya, I want a baby brother.
Nagbago yung isip niya.
What? Yeah, pero gusto niya ng
Nagbago yung
kalaro
isip.
kasi.
Oo.
But yeah, he's a good kuya. Nagsasabi na siya ng
Mm.
mga kung ano-ano. But yeah, we're
He's going to be the
excited.
sweetest kuya.
For sure. For sure. Ayun. Alam mo, Frenny, hindi na natin nasabi yung giveaway.
Oo nga. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alam mo, Franny, gusto ko ano. Hindi, never
How are we
mind.
gonna do
Later
it?
na. Giveaway. Okay. Ano na lang. Is there something that you guys manifested, I guess, na nagkatotoo with God's grace, maybe, when you prayed for it really hard, I guess what
Yeah.
is that? Ano yung, 'di ba? Ano yung minanifest ninyo? Nagkatotoo ba?
Oo.
I
Okay.
like that.
That's cute.
Naisip ko lang. Thank you, Lord.
Yes, yes. Oo. Or siguro if you haven't, or if you can't think of anything right now, like what's
Mm,
something that you want to pray for, and like what's one thing that you
yeah.
want to manifest.
Yes,
Ayun.
yes.
So, ang ating giveaways for today actually ay giveaways, right?
Ang dami.
So
Ilan
I'll
yan?
choose, let's choose three. Three, pero of course, I'll prioritize those who have been, um, what do you call this? Parang chika with us throughout this episode.
Active. Yeah.
Yes, ayun, active. My goodness, how can I miss active? Um, Ayun. Okay. So for today, actually, we're gonna give away, dahil walang nakakula ng apat na turon. So we're gonna give away two So Childhood nursing covers. Malapit na rin ang breastfeeding month. And if you have seen my posts about The nursing cover, I wear it on date night. So kahit hindi ako nagbe-breastfeed or nagpa-pump sa labas, ginagamit ko siya. There are so many uses you can use it. Or use it for, like, yun, pantakip ko sa anak ko, ganyan, and whatever, stuff like that. Pang nap niya pag nasa labas, because it's breathable. So yun. So let's do a giveaway. So I will choose three. We'll choose three winners
Okay.
for
Do you
for
want me to create a giveaway thread?
yes, Freddy, please give
Sure, miss.
away just one. This will just choose three winners from that thread.
Okay. Gotcha. So, mommies, I will create a giveaway thread. Tapos doon nilagay yung ano nyo, ha? Answers nyo.
Yes, do not comment on the actual
Ay,
or the
sorry. Wearable
general chat
pumps pala
room.
yung gamit mong account. Sorry, Jigs. Look for the wearable breast pumps page that posted yung giveaway thread. Tapos doon kayo mag-comment sa ilalim, okay? Yeah.
I love it.
Mom brain.
The untechy mom brain.
The untechy mom brain. Alam mo, friend,
Yes,
ngayon ko lang
okay.
na-realize magkamukha tayo ng outfit for today.
Oo nga, no. Both sleeveless.
Both, ano ba
And
tawag dito?
at least ikaw, you showered.
I did.
Yeah. Yes, maganda ang tela. So if you receive the prices, yes, the nursing cover, the poncho, you will really appreciate it. You will see why I wear it kahit I don't need it.
Kahit, yeah, you don't breastfeed
Or
yet.
yes, yes, yes. But of course, I will use it eventually.
Sulit
Mga
na sulit mo
December.
yan. Baka magkaroon ka
Correct,
ng
Franny.
collection. All
I am so
colors.
excited. Actually, yun, may mga next projects tayo and I'm excited to share them soon. So, also for breastfeeding month. So, I'm so excited.
Alam mo ba, hindi na natin natuloy yung ano natin. Plano natin mag-live selling. Because I was
Oh,
looking
and
at,
let's do it.
ang dami kong gadgets. Actually, naglabas ako kagabi, kaya sinend ko sa inyo yung Instax na printer. And then, na-mine
Mm-hmm.
siya agad ng isa kong friend. Because I just
Yeah.
have a lot. And I'm planning to destash my cell phone, I have the DJI, where is it? I have the DJI vlogging camera
Mm,
that I want to
yes.
destash with preview.
Go, Frenny. Alam mo na, we should do that, seriously, sa next, ano natin. Actually, may mga nagtatanong din if we have
Why
more
not? Sorry, kinukuha ko
items
lang
to
dun sa dry
declutter.
box ko. Kasi I have cameras, diba? So I have, apparently you need the dry box for cameras because, and gadgets.
True.
Yeah. So it has to be in a certain humidity para hindi siya magkaroon ng fungus or like whatever for the lens.
That is the OCD in you, Franny.
Yes, it is. Um, so here it is. Oh,
Oh, wow. Ayun yung DJI, diba? Is that the three?
no, it's just a two, but
Okay.
it's so cute. See, look at that. It's barely
Mm-mm.
used. So I have no time to use it because I don't vlog and I don't ride the
Yeah.
motorcycle anymore. Plus, I like the ano, parang I want to continue my desire to learn portrait photography. So that's what I'm gonna focus on.
Mhm.
So kailangan ko siyang i-let go yung mga ganitong stuff because sayang. I'm gonna sell it for super cheap. So, nag-live tayo.
Yes, Franny. Yes. Comment below, mommies. Anong mga gusto nyong ma-live? Ma-live
Yes.
sell. Sell pala. Yes. So we will update on the date. Pero ako rin, I'm so excited. I have a lot to declutter. I'm also making way for the room of our baby girl.
We need
So
space.
yes, need space. And ayun, sabi ko nga eh, pagiging minimalist ko, okay na siguro yung mga dinosaur na laruan ni
Recycle mo na lang. Kulay mong pink.
Yes, yes. No, yeah, but we'll do our best to be more, minimalist this time kasi super
Oo.
dami. Ang hirap mag-declutter, ha?
Franny, I don't wanna pop your bubble, but with a girl, I don't
Yeah.
know.
I know also. I'm just saying I'm doing my best.
Yes, yes,
At
yes.
least thinking about it is the first step.
Yes, and I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you for doing that.
Yeah. Pero tignan natin kasi tomorrow, David and I are gonna go to the Momzilla Fair. So we'll
Oh,
see.
is that day two? Day two ba yung Momzilla?
Yeah, day two tomorrow. Yes, today's day one. Yon. I didn't go because obviously we have our podcast and medyo maulan-ulan pa kaninang morning. So,
Yeah. Sana tomorrow wala
yes.
nang rain, no? I really hate the rain.
Sana. Yeah. Go for vlogging na Mommy Rach. Alam mo, meron din ako
She
mga
won't.
work, meron din ako mga work inquiries na
Oo.
vlogging. But I don't know. I cannot. Nahiya ako.
Alam mo yon, mommies, nasa deep inside she wants it.
Yeah.
Physically, she doesn't.
Yeah, totoo. Parang I just can't. I don't know why. Pero I'll try my best. Yes, and I'll still do it. Nesting journey, yung mga yan. Yun. So I'll do my best. So
Yeah.
we are gonna close soon, Franny. But of
Yes.
course we will let you know, mommies, if we're gonna do or when our next event is and the live decluttering sale.
Yun na lang yung next
Um,
event natin, Franny. Tapos mag-gather tayo
hindi.
ng mga moms, di ba, na ano, na magde-declutter din.
Uy, that's not a bad thing
Right.
or a
Siyempre,
bad
customer.
idea. After mo magbenta, bibili ka rin, no?
Oo, kapalit.
Well, it's not a bad idea. We can do like parang garage sale.
Yeah, let's do that.
Bring all your
Tapos
stuff,
live.
clothes. Yeah, that's not a
Tapos,
bad
baka
idea.
pwede tayong mag-contract ng, I don't know, like LBC or like a courier. Sometimes they allow that eh. Na there's a standby, tapos sila yung nagpapack. So that, kunwari,
Mm,
binili na siya ni ganito, nag-confirm yung payment, naka-ready na siya for shipment. 'Di ba?
yeah.
If it's going to be a big affair. But like, we're planning it right now.
Yeah, we are. Yes. Alam mo, why not, Trenny? Let's do that. It's like a
Yeah.
me time event. Tapos, hanap tayo
Yes.
ng parang coffee shop or a place where we
Oh,
can hold
i-rent
it.
natin.
Mm-mm.
No?
Yes.
Let's do that.
Yes.
Tapos kung gusto nyo mag-walk-in, pwede, 'di ba? Oh, I
Mm-mm.
love it.
Yes. Alam mo, maganda yan. Tapos sana may play area pag may kids. Pero pwede rin wala. We'll
Oo.
see. We'll
No
see.
kids, ganon. No kids,
Mm-mm.
pwede rin.
Yeah.
Oo. Whatever we see, 'di
Yes.
ba?
Mm-mm. Yep, yep. Okay, that's a good idea, Fanny, and I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah,
'Di ba?
let's do
Par
it.
yeah, sige, we will. We'll just finalize our schedule and ayun, hanap din tayo ng mga gusto
Yeah.
mag-help out or if they want to sell something as well.
Yeah, let's go. Kasi
Yes.
meaning nyo nakakapagod mag-post at saka
Correct.
mag-picture-picture, 'di ba? So, yun. Sige, let's do that. But I guess that
Yes.
is it for us today. Happy Saturday, mommies. And if you're
Mm-hmm.
late and you're hearing this, sorry you reached the end of the episode, but we hope you enjoyed. We hope you had fun with our very candid version of me time. Very candid, very unfiltered. This is how we want it. And if you have reviews or if you have anything that you want to share with us, feel free to reach out to the Nipnock page. Rachel's very active in answering that. Let us know what you want to hear or want to talk about in the next episodes.
Mm-hmm. Yes, I actually love that our session today is very candid. We didn't prepare for anything.
Yeah. Yeah, meron lang tayong list, no? May list naman na. What do
I
you
don't
want to
know.
talk
My
about?
Well, yeah, kind of, but like, yeah, but anyway, I just love that for us. And
Yeah.
I love how we've been doing this for 15 episodes now.
Yes.
And even though we have like 14 mommies here, I see a lot of them who have been with us from the very start. So thank you so much, mommies, for being with us tonight. And we missed you. We missed talking to everybody. And we are going to organize an event where we can see each other and do live selling and stuff and whatever, just
Yep.
have coffee. Yeah, but if ever you want any other topics that you want us to discuss for the next episode, just feel free to comment, message us, or if you have any questions about anything, motherhood, relationships, whatsoever, just let us know and we'll do our best to respond to you. So, yon, happy Saturday, mommies. Good night,
Good
and we'll see
night.
you all next time.
See you in Spotify and YouTube and Facebook.
Bye bye.
Bye.